sklearn. Features election. Selector mixin. Description. The selector mixin is a base class in scikit-learn's features election module that provides a common interface for feature selection methods. It defines the essential methods for transforming data by selecting relevant features. Inputs. X. The input feature matrix. Typically a NumPy array or pandas data frame, representing the data for which feature selection will be performed. Each row corresponds to a sample, and each column represents a feature. Y. The target variable. Typically a NumPy array or pandas series, representing the labels or values that the feature selection process aims to predict. Outputs. Transformed X. The output feature matrix, which is a subset of the input features based on the selection criteria. The shape of this output will depend on the specific feature selection method used. Steps. Feature selection algorithm. The selector mixin class does not implement any specific feature selection algorithm. It is a base class that provides the framework for various feature selection methods. The actual feature selection logic is implemented in derived classes like SelectKBest, Select Percentile, or Select from Model, feature subset based on the selected algorithm. The derived class determines the subset of relevant features from the input data. This subset is then returned as the transformed X output. Metrics. None. The selector mixin class itself does not have specific metrics. The evaluation of the feature selection performance depends on the specific algorithm used in the task at hand. Common metrics used in feature selection include accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and AUC for classification tasks, and R-squared, RMSE, and MAE for regression tasks. Visualization plots. None. The selector mixin class does not provide visualization methods. Visualization techniques, such as heat maps, scatter plots, and feature importance plots, can be used to visualize feature selection results depending on the specific algorithm. Fine-tune parameters. None. The selector mixin class does not have fine-tune parameters. Parameters for tuning are specific to the derived feature selection algorithm. For example, SelectKBest has a K parameter to control the number of features to select, and Select Percentile has a percentile parameter to specify the percentage of features to select. Uncertainty methods. None. The selector mixin class does not have uncertainty methods. Uncertainty estimation depends on the specific feature selection algorithm used. Some algorithms, like feature importance-based methods, might provide measures of uncertainty associated with feature selection. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Overfitting. If the feature selection process is not carefully designed, it might overfit to the training data, leading to poor performance on unseen data. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. Selecting features based on a small data set with high variance might lead to overfitting, as the selected features might not generalize well to new data. Fixes to challenge 1. Cross-validation. Use cross-validation to evaluate the performance of the feature selection algorithm on different subsets of the data, which can help detect overfitting and improve generalization. Regularization. Use regularization techniques, such as L1 or L2 regularization, during the feature selection process to penalize complex models and prevent overfitting. Feature importance. Select features based on robust feature importance measures that are less prone to overfitting. Challenge 2. Feature redundancy. The selected features might be highly correlated or redundant, leading to less informative and less efficient models. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. Selecting features based on correlation alone might result in selecting multiple features that are highly correlated, leading to redundancy and reduced model efficiency. Fixes to challenge 2. Feature selection algorithms use feature selection algorithms specifically designed to address redundancy, such as recursive feature elimination RFE or select from model with a sparse model. Feature transformation apply feature transformation techniques like principal component analysis PCA or linear discriminant analysis LDA to reduce dimensionality and eliminate redundancy. Feature engineering carefully engineer features to eliminate redundancy and create more informative features.